Hi, today I'll be making hollow donuts. It's one of the most famous street food in Southeast Asia. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, mix 2 tablespoons sugar with 2/3 cup or 170 milliliters warm milk. Add 1½ teaspoons or 6 grams instant yeast. Mix it and keep it aside. Let's mix the dry ingredients. Put 1½ cup or 250 grams all-purpose flour. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon or 4 grams baking powder. Add 4 tablespoons sugar. Mix it well. Let mix wet ingredients with dry ingredients. After let it sit for 5 minutes, pour it into dry ingredients. Mix it. Knead it until it turns to a dough. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes. It turns to a dough now, and its texture turns to this consistency. Cover it closely. Let it sit in room temperature for 1½ hours. Let it rise to a double size. One and a half hours later, it rises bigger. Sprinkle some flour to avoid the stickiness. Knead it about 1 to 2 minutes to remove the bubbles. Cut it into 2, if it is big for you. Take a half of dough and make it to a long round dough. Cut it into small pieces. Prepare white sesame seeds ahead. Round the dough up as you can see in the video. Coat it with white sesame seeds. Repeat the process. Tip number 1 to make it rise as well. Cover the doughs and let it sit for another 15 minutes. That way will help our hollow donut rise bigger. 15 minutes later, flatten each dough. Gently roll on it. Don't make it too thin, it will break apart while frying. Time to fry the dough. Pour enough cooking oil. Wait until it turns hot. Use a chopstick to test the hotness of cooking oil. If there are a lot of bubbles, round up the chopstick. It's ready to drop the dough in. Tip number 2: to make donut rise well. When it float up, flip it. It will float up in 3 or 4 seconds. When it float up, keep it for 1 second, then flip it. Flip it back and forth while frying until it rises well and evenly turns golden brown. Repeat the process until you finish the dough. Hollow donuts are done, and let's see the inside. The donut has a big hollow. Thank you for watching. If you have any idea, please write it in the comment box below. Please like and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Somar's Cooking. Please like and follow my Facebook pages too. See you in the next delicious recipes. Bye.